Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick and Tripod, a must-have accessory for those that are serious about 360-degree content creation or just want to get those impossible third-person shots. So let's get into it and what makes a stick stand out and whether it's worth adding to your camera kit. First off, right out of the box, you can see right here the Insta360 Invisible Selfie Stick. It really feels lightweight, but extremely sturdy. It's made of high quality materials, and the extension mechanism, which I'm going to show you here real quickly, is very smooth, easy to use. It's fully collapsed. It's super compact, just about 24 centimeters, as you can see. So it fits really easily in a bag or even a large pocket. And when it's fully extended, it reaches up to roughly 114 centimeters, which is perfect for getting that wide angle or overhead shot. So you can see right here, once you push that push button, as you can see right there, it extends out. And let's go ahead and extend it out right here. You push it down. You can be able to drag it out or whatnot. And there you go. This one now becomes a tripod right down on there. You are able to screw the camera right here on the top. Let's go ahead and extend this out. So we can see right here, we've got the tripod already down, very stable right here on the table. And we have it all extended out. You can see how tall it is, really. And I set it on the floor. As you can see, this is how tall it is. So it is very, very tall. I would say roughly 3 feet tall in terms of the length. Very stable, very lightweight. You've got this little twisty here on the top. So this is not just a selfie stick. It doubles as a tripod with just a simple push of the button, the legs deploy, turning into a very stable base for time lapses, group shots, vlogging. The base is wider than most, giving it a decent stability even outdoors. So you can particularly collapse the legs for tabletop use, making it super versatile for different shooting scenarios. And like I said, the build quality of this stick is made with aluminum alloy. So it's both very lightweight, it's very tough. It can handle most consumer 360 cameras, so it doesn't really have to be an Insta360. As you can see right here, you can put a GoPro if it sticks, if it twists around on this one here. Users have praised this for durability. They mention it holds up well during outdoor adventures and travel. And it's very easy to use. There's no twists or locks here. Just pull the selfie out. It extends up. Push to collapse right here. Let me go ahead and push it down. There we go. Now it's pushed down. And basically, you can be able to doing this one hand, so it's a little bit more difficult than usual, but you can be able to pull this in with one hand too. And in my opinion, there's no twist locks here, just pull to extend, push to collapse. The semi-automatic opening and closing mechanism, which makes it quick to set up or pack away. The standard 1/4-inch screw mount, which I told you guys about earlier. It means it works with a wide range of cameras, not just Insta360 models. Let me go ahead and close this up right here, one-handed. The trick is to close this up is to pull this right here, this big piece up, and there you go. Everything just clicked in there, and look, very compact, very easy to use. Real-world practice and performance. Well, the invisible selfie stick, let me go ahead and lay it down right here, delivers exactly what it promises. Your shots look clean, immersive, free from distractions, whether you're hiking, skating, or just walking around the city. It gives your videos a very unique perspective. And this tripod is handy for static shots or time lapses and whatnot. There's pros and cons though to it. Pro, truly invisible 360-degree footage, lightweight, durable, smooth extension and retraction, doubles as a tripod, standard 1/4-inch mount for versatility. Cons, the tripod legs could be a little bit more sturdy on rougher surfaces. Invisibility only works when properly aligned with a 360-degree camera. My final thoughts on this is if you own a Insta360 camera, this invisible selfie stick and tripod pretty much is a must-have. It's lightweight, durable, adds a ton of creative possibilities to your shots, and the invisible effect really does make your shots and footage look next level. And the tripod feature is a great bonus for static shots or just time lapses. So just remember to keep it straight for the best results. If you have questions or want to see a specific test, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest gear reviews here on the channel. I will leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.